This massive semi-truck is a true engineering marvel. If you've ever been curious about the most extreme and powerful semi-trucks in the world, you're in for a treat. These enormous machines are built to handle tasks that ordinary trucks simply cannot. From the longest truck in the world, officially recognized by the Guinness World Records, to a jet-powered truck that can reach an astonishing 376 miles per hour, these are some of the most remarkable semi-trucks ever created. Trucks are not usually built for speed, but with the right modifications, they can outperform even the fastest supercars. A perfect example is the legendary Shockwave, the fastest truck ever built. Originally constructed in 1984 by Les Shockley and later modified by Donnell Racing Enterprises, Shockwave holds the Guinness World Record for being the world's fastest jet-powered truck. Unlike regular trucks, it doesn't have a traditional engine under the hood. Instead, it is equipped with 3 Pratt & Whitney J58 jet engines mounted at the back, generating an astonishing 36,000 horsepower. This incredible power allows Shockwave to reach speeds of up to 376 miles per hour. To put that into perspective, it can complete a quarter mile in just 6.5 seconds, whereas a Lamborghini Aventador takes about 10.3 seconds for the same distance. To achieve such extreme speeds, Shockwave consumes an enormous amount of fuel, about 400 gallons per mile. When its afterburners are activated, fuel consumption increases even further. But fuel efficiency is not a concern when the goal is to compete with airplanes. Shockwave's driver, Chris Donnell, once described the experience of accelerating in the truck as generating a force of 6G, while stopping requires 2 military-grade parachutes, creating a negative force of 9G, enough to exert extreme pressure on the human body. Unfortunately, high-speed experiments come with significant risks. In June 2022, during a festival at Battle Creek Airport, Shockwave suffered a mechanical failure, leading to a tragic accident that resulted in its destruction. Although the original Shockwave no longer exists, a successor named Super Shockwave, built on a 1957 Chevy cab, continues its legacy. Another extraordinary custom-built truck is Thor, a 1984 Peterbilt 359 Ultra Custom TT Crew cab. It looks like a life-sized Hot Wheels toy and is often regarded as one of the most impressive custom trucks ever created. Thor is powered by 2 massive 14-liter V12 Detroit diesel engines, producing a mind-blowing 3,974 horsepower across 24 cylinders. For comparison, the fastest car in the world, the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut, has just 1,600 horsepower. This powerful machine features a custom independent suspension, a manual gearbox, and high-performance disc brakes. It stretches an impressive 40 feet in length, weighs 32,000 pounds, and can reach speeds of 130 miles per hour when its nitrous boost system is engaged. To bring it to a stop, Thor is equipped with 4 12-foot drag parachutes. Thor's appearance is as striking as its performance. The entire truck is covered in chrome and polished aluminum, featuring an oversized 1933 Ford-style grille, a chrome roof-mounted spoiler, a sunroof, spiked lug nuts, and multiple air horns. A mural of Thor, the Norse god of thunder, is painted on the back, adding to its unique aesthetic. Inside, the truck offers luxury amenities such as a 1,500-watt audio system, 7 video screens, a polished aluminum dashboard, and LED lighting. Among custom big rigs, Thor stands in a class of its own. While Shockwave and Thor focus on raw power and speed, the next truck takes a different approach. The Red Giant, the heavily modified Diamond Rio road tractor from the 1990s, was transformed by its owner, Brian Dax, into a mobile advertising machine. With decades of trucking experience, Dax spent years converting his vehicle into what is now considered the longest and most unique fifth-wheel tractor in the world. The Red Giant serves as a rolling media center, featuring 2 massive LED screens and a high-quality sound system, essentially turning it into a giant television on wheels. Originally built in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, the truck started with a 260-inch wheelbase, a 6-cylinder Caterpillar 3406B engine, an 18-speed transmission, and a 90-inch sleeper cabin. After extensive modifications, it now boasts a 430-inch wheelbase and an enormous 252-inch custom sleeper. On the exterior, the truck is equipped with 2 massive 11-foot by 6-foot LED screens that display advertisements, providing a steady source of income for Dax while he enjoys retirement. These screens can showcase photos, videos, and even live broadcasts. The ability to switch between ads with just a simple computer click makes it a versatile and highly effective advertising platform. Inside, the Red Giant is packed with entertainment features, including satellite TV, a Blu-ray and DVD player, video games, and Wi-Fi. Although Brian Dax has stepped away from traditional trucking, his custom-built Diamond Rio continues to turn heads, allowing him to remain on the road in a truly unique and stylish way. If you have ever watched the movie I, Robot starring Will Smith, you might notice a striking resemblance between the futuristic Audi R8 in the film and Einride's autonomous truck. This truck is designed with a sleek and minimalist appearance, breaking away from the traditional bulky design of mechanical trucks. While it looks modern and almost sci-fi-like, it is not just about the design, it is packed with cutting-edge technology. Unlike conventional trucks, it has no cab or engine. Instead, its front section is a slim, sculpted white panel, and at the rear, there is a pod-style container designed to securely hold cargo. The engineers behind this innovative vehicle have strengthened the chassis and enhanced the suspension to handle the heavy loads that shipping trucks typically carry. Despite being a utility vehicle, it has an unexpectedly stylish and futuristic look, making it stand out in the trucking industry. This autonomous truck operates on an electric drivetrain powered by a 300 kilowatt-hour battery, which is roughly equivalent to the battery capacity of 3 high-end Tesla electric vehicles. With this power source, the truck has a range of approximately 120 miles on a full charge. The company behind this cutting-edge truck, Einride, explains that the decision to remove the engine and replace it with batteries was made to optimize the cargo layout and make the vehicle more cost-effective to manufacture. By eliminating the cab, the truck has a smaller overall footprint, making it more maneuverable in tight spaces. While companies like Tesla, Volvo, Daimler, and Uber are working on making truck cabs more efficient and spacious, Einride has taken an entirely different approach by removing the cab altogether. Instead of relying on a human driver sitting in the truck, it utilizes NVIDIA's AI-powered supercomputer to drive autonomously. However, since current artificial intelligence technology is not yet capable of handling every driving situation, the truck is designed to allow remote human intervention when needed. A human operator can take control of the truck from a remote location using advanced teleoperation technology provided by Phantom Auto. This system functions in a way similar to how an RC, radio-controlled, car is operated, but on a much larger scale, allowing one person to manage multiple trucks remotely. Another fascinating truck pushing the boundaries of innovation is the H2 Rescue, which is completely carbon-free and emits only water and heat as byproducts. This hydrogen-powered truck was developed through a collaboration between the United States Department of Energy and Cummins Accelera. The H2 Rescue truck is specifically designed to serve as a mobile command center or emergency shelter in disaster zones and crisis situations. One of its most remarkable features is its ability to provide clean, drinkable water in emergency situations. Unlike traditional diesel-powered trucks that produce harmful emissions, the H2 Rescue runs on hydrogen fuel cells, making it an environmentally friendly alternative for disaster response. This hydrogen-powered truck has an impressive capability of generating 25 kilowatts of power, which can be used to supply electricity for emergency operations. It can run continuously for 72 hours without needing to refuel, providing enough power to support temporary housing units and emergency response efforts. In contrast to traditional gas-powered generators that produce loud noise and harmful exhaust fumes, the H2 Rescue operates silently and produces zero emissions. It is equipped with an advanced electric drivetrain, hydrogen fuel cells, high-energy lithium-ion batteries, and a powerful 250 kilowatts traction motor. These components work together to provide reliable power in critical situations. Recently, the H2 Rescue truck set a Guinness World Record by traveling 186 miles on a single hydrogen refill, releasing only water vapor from its tailpipe. This is a characteristic feature of all hydrogen-powered vehicles, as they do not emit carbon dioxide or other pollutants. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, this journey prevented the release of approximately 664 pounds of CO, which is the amount of carbon emissions a conventional diesel truck of the same size would have produced over the same distance. The truck itself weighs about 33,000 pounds and generates roughly 1 gallon of water per hour from its exhaust system. While this amount of water may not be substantial enough to address large-scale disaster relief needs, it is certainly a better alternative to polluting emissions. As natural disasters become more frequent, specialized relief vehicles like the H2 Rescue are becoming increasingly important in providing essential services in crisis situations. When thinking about the largest semi-trucks in the world, well-known manufacturers such as Kenworth, Peterbilt, Volvo, or Renault might come to mind. However, the actual record for the largest semi-truck is held by a lesser-known French manufacturer, Nicolas Industries. This company built the Nicolas Tractors TR10x10 D100, which holds the Guinness World Record for the largest semi-truck ever produced. This massive truck is an upgraded version of the TR8x8 and is powered by a monstrous 27.3L V12 Caterpillar engine. With an output of 900 horsepower and 2,552 foot-pound of torque, it is designed for extreme heavy-duty hauling. Even though the truck is equipped with 8 forward gears and 4 reverse gears, its top speed is limited to just 15.5 miles per hour. However, speed is not the main focus of this vehicle. Its primary purpose is towing and hauling enormous loads. The Tractors TR10x10 has an astonishing hauling capacity of 600 tons. To put this into perspective, a Ford F-150 pickup truck can tow about 6.75 tons. This means that the Tractors has the pulling power of approximately 89 Ford F-150s combined. It is mainly used for transporting large industrial equipment, power plant structures, and massive road train operations. Physically, this truck is an absolute giant, measuring 41 feet in length and weighing around 71 tons. For comparison, a standard Ford F-150 weighs between 2 to 3 tons, making the Tractors roughly 24 times heavier than a typical pickup truck. Due to its highly specialized purpose, only 5 units of this truck have ever been built. In 2005, 4 of these units were delivered to a South African company called Rotran. These trucks are used in combination with heavy-duty trailers to transport transformers weighing up to 270 tons, which is roughly the weight of 2 fully grown blue whales. The sheer size and power of this truck make it a truly unique engineering marvel. In Australia, another trucking giant dominates the roads. The Kenworth C510 is a behemoth of a truck that was introduced in 1998 with a payload capacity of 140 tons. It was originally designed for off-highway use, primarily to transport materials for mining companies. However, one company decided to modify the C510 for both on- and off-highway operations, painting it bright yellow and giving it the name MOBD. To enhance its performance, the truck's original 600 horsepower Cummins engine was replaced with a Caterpillar C27 V12 engine, boosting its power output to an incredible 1,000 horsepower. This upgrade also doubled its load capacity to an astonishing 400 tons. Along with these mechanical enhancements, the truck received luxury features, including a television, oven, bathroom, and shower, making it more like a mobile home than a semi-truck. Even in its standard form, the Kenworth C510 lives up to its nickname, the road train, as it can tow up to 5 trailers at once, extending far beyond the length of a typical semi-truck. Tesla is also entering the world of semi-trucks with its Tesla Semi, scheduled for release at the end of 2025. This electric semi-truck represents a significant advancement in sustainable transportation. Tesla has made bold claims about its powertrain, including a clutch system similar to Rivian's technology, which allows motors to disengage when cruising for improved efficiency. The Tesla Semi boasts 1,050 horsepower, making it far more powerful than the best-selling Freightliner Cascadia, which has a base power of 350 horsepower. Inside, the Tesla Semi features a center-mounted driver's seat, a spacious 3x7-foot cabin, and 2 large side-view mirror displays. The truck's infotainment system is controlled via touchscreen panels, providing information on tire pressure, suspension settings, trailer controls, navigation, and other key functions. This new generation of electric trucks could revolutionize the transportation industry. From hydrogen-powered rescue vehicles to record-breaking hauling machines and futuristic electric semis, these are some of the most impressive trucks in the world.